I guess Octane Restoration's back with the 1996 Gl1500 Special Edition Part 24. So we had to completely disassemble the motorcycle to find the fuel leak. We got it reassembled. Then we go to start the motorcycle, and the motorcycle won't start. So we're not getting a neutral light on the dash, so I was checking fuses. And then now I am disassembling the motorcycle to replace the reverse safety switch, because that's what I believe this to be. Sometimes they can get stuck, and the symptom is you won't have a neutral light on the dash. So I take apart everything again for like the 5th freaking time. And I'm just playing with the switch, fingering it a little bit. No innuendos there. And we have a neutral light on the dash. So we know the switch was bad, the switch was hanging up, so what we're going to do, since we have one, we're just going to go ahead and replace it. It's no big deal, it's just one Phillips head and an electrical connection. So, but glad to get that sorted out. That's all we have for this episode. Stay tuned for the next one.